So, we're at the launderette, and near the launderette is Wivelsfield station. We've just popped up for a little bit of wait time on the platform and seen that we've got an aggregates train on the way. 6022. I'm not sure much else about it, but it's due. It's on the way now. I'll be here in a couple of minutes. What you're looking at here is a Freightliner Class 59, specifically 59102, built back in the 1980s by General Motors. The 59s were the first American-built locomotives to operate regularly on British rails, and they set the benchmark for reliability. Their design was so successful that it inspired the more common Class 66s you see across the network today. This particular train is hauling aggregate wagons, nicknamed Pebbles by me and Mel for obvious reasons, carrying building materials from quarries to building sites. The 59s are real workhorses, known for their smooth, low-end torque and the distinctive growl of their EMD engines. Now, while most people who come down to watch these trains do so sensibly, it's important to remember that safety around the platform edge is vital. During this pass, in a moment, we will see a young man crossing the yellow line and even trying to touch the wagons as they are rolling past him. Really dangerous behaviour. These containers may look slow, but they could cause a fatal accident in an instant. It's really important that people respect the railway and everyone that works upon it. Still, seeing this Class 59 was a brilliant surprise. It's the star of this show, but anyway, we'll introduce the idiot from stage left just about now.